everyone. First of all, congratulations on landing your role as a remote research intern. I'll guide you to update your LinkedIn profile to showcase this new position professionally. So first of all, go to your profile section. And then if you scroll down, you will find the experience section and click on the plus and add position. Now in the title section, mention remote research intern. And employment type is internship. And organization name is Ai1k by SMS Cloud Hub. So my start date is January 2025. You can find your start date on your offer letter. And location type is remote. In description section, I'm mentioning 3 points. Identifying nearby commercial areas to conduct successful research. Interact with key stakeholders to understand the impact of AI in communication among Indian businesses. And third is network effectively. And in the skills section, you can mention skills like communication, networking, stakeholder management, proving skills, time management, research skills, entrepreneurial brain, entrepreneurship development. You can add more according to you, and you can post this if you want. And after successfully completing the profile experience, your profile will look something like this. And don't forget to remove the open to hire photo frame if it is visible over here. And congratulations, you have updated your LinkedIn profile. And when I joined the internship, I was having already only 68 connections. After 3 weeks of joining, now I have 119 connections. Increasing the number of relevant connections on my LinkedIn helps me to stay connected with people who can help me to grow professionally and provide mentorship. Good luck, friends.